Okay, the boys just made it back to Timbertown from Bunyan, where we've been all week, and we got the entire Dovetail cabin on our trailer that we built live for you over there at Bunyan. Partnered up with my buddies over at Woodland Mills. Ended up with an awesome trailer myself. So guys, our booth was jumping. There was so many people out there. I'm sorry that I could not get with each and every one. But I want to thank everybody that came out to see us, and I'm really sorry. But next year, I'm going to make time to make sure that I am able to meet with everybody that wants to be there. So we're going to show you the highlights from our booth, how we built our Dovetail cabin, and yeah, had a whole bunch of fun meeting a bunch of people. Great time, Jay.
It was a great time, Dan.
It was, buddy.
Can't believe all those people really wanted to see you, though.
Something's wrong with them.
They were awesome.
Thank you, Woodland Mills.
We get to keep this thing?
I think so.
We're unloading all the big timbers. Two guys timber framing at the Paul Bunyan Timberframing Festival in Ohio, baby. Got the mill set up, boom. Gonna build a shed tomorrow. Crowd's gonna go wild. We've got people from all over Canada. Bringing these guys, maple syrup guys are here. Woodland Mills is here. And then out here you got everybody and their brothers selling anything that has to do with a tree or lumber or whatever. And then down there you're gonna have saw cutting contests and all kinds of cool stuff. So it's gonna be a fun weekend, man. This is where we're gonna be set up. People can come watch us put everything together. That's it. See you tomorrow.
The swag, man. All right.
Tons of merch here with the mills. Let's go.
Nice. Man, you guys really did pack in the merch. All right? Keep up. Two guys and Paul.
We got two guys in a kill. build a door frame, ladies and gentlemen. Two guys timber framing out of timber, big heavy timbers. Not these wimpy little 2x4s. These are like 6x8s.
We need. So again, if you push forward, you do the back side, come forward, then come to the front, then you do that, you can get the little one that's in there. Or vice versa. I mean, they go the other direction as well. And so then that's your sweep on that thing. Now, there's a couple different ways to do it. You can keep, I've kind of created cheats, like I know where to come. So I can stay on one side and come over here and then cut this edge too. But what, like say you have a bunch of them, what we'll do is we'll line them up. I'll go down the beam on one side as much, then I'll just flip around the other side and cut. So I'm always, you always want to be going to that way anyway. And I don't, the straight cuts down take much longer. So you saw how, like on if you're doing, especially if you're doing oak, this first cut going perpendicular takes twice or 3 times as long as those sweep cuts do. So theoretically, if you're going to do this with a straight cut, you want to flip around the other way and come down to get it cut out of there. But I've got these cheats that we can talk about. You could ask me the numbers later, but you know, you could text us or whatever. But I'll come over. I've got this little guy, this mark I put on here. So if I do this on the edge, I'm actually there. But now I've got a bigger sweep on the bottom, so I got to chisel it out a little bit, you know, or whatever.
But then you also leave the canvas around the canvas.
We always round it, yeah. But this one's a little, if I do this from that, so what I found out is I've actually got a spot, if I go to 8, I know that sounds weird, but so I've got 0 and 8, and 5 3/8 are the numbers that you're going to remember that really are important on this thing. The rest of them are just gauges for whatever you're doing. So I can go to 8, and if you see if I go 1 over, if I don't do the final sweep, if I go down, I'm right there.
Okay.
So that's my cheat for that side. So I'll come all the way over and then pull over, and I don't have to do the spin around.
Okay, cool.
So, but if you have a bunch, it's just super easy.
Yeah.
So run down the thing.
Run down one side,
come
run
down
down
the
the
other
next
side.
side.
Yep,
Go the other way.
exactly. You want.
All right, we got the door frame going in now. And then all our little pieces on the sides of the door jamb will be, we can screw right in. Helps make it secure and
I
tight.
put the blocks, then we're going to put a screw.
Okay.
Each one of these will get a screw, and then your door trim
it's
will
coming
cover
together.
those screws.
But I mean, does it have to be a slide? Yeah, you gotta get set.
That's the opening for the window. That's our door height. We got the window frames in and the door frames in. It's starting to look like a little cabin now, doesn't it? Door frame. Yeah. It's starting to hang, baby. It's looking good.
Let me ask you a question. We have one more to make, though.
Putting the old log on the mill, man. Getting ready to make some more timbers like these. So, show people how the mill works. Gotta cut this thing down. He's almost cutting it in half. Big timbers, man. You gotta have a mill. Take something like that. And make something like that. See how it's dated out? Old school using pegs, man. And we built this cabin for the show. And now we gotta take it down and haul it back home to Tennessee. This is to Dan's house right here. And you got Jason. Both of these guys are two guys timber framing. And they made this happen, man. Look at this. Beautiful.
They always love the thumbs up, don't they, Jay?
They do. I love the thumbs up.
I wanted to actually give a special thanks to my friend, Buffalo Custom Millwork, that I actually met on the Woodland Mills community page, and we actually became friends over Facebook. I even invited him up here. The night before the show, comes up with this awesome idea, and he actually had all of us labeled out who was on the show. So the Woodland Mills people put on a great show. We actually had more fun at this Bunyan than we ever had, but it's really special thanks. And this is going to go in the Woodland Mills showroom. So this is going to be seen by thousands and thousands of people a week, because after the Bunyan show, who's not going to want a Woodland Mills? So there we go. I love you guys. Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
Absolutely. Pleasure.
Okay, this is Two Guys Timber Framing. I want to thank all my friends that made this possible to do a Dovetail cabin tools. My friend, the Kilted Sawyer, Myers Custom Millwork. My friend George Middlefield cut most of these beams by himself. Nate Bissell from Bissell Maple Farms, Star Hill Timberworks, and yes, my new friends from Woodland Mills. And we had a great time here, and I wanted to thank everybody personally. Even my buddy Paul showing up.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jay.
Thanks, everybody.
Woo!
Awesome work. Love it.